Have you ever seen such a human design? Track channel letter signs that can be easily installed while my eye closed. What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. There are also many types of track channel letters. Today I'll show you the different track channel letters signage for our brand. Track channel letters consist of track strips, track headers, and input lines. Its appearance is unique and outstanding and easy to install, generously suitable for indoor decoration. Colors, letters, and sizes can be customized to suit your needs, but different types have different characteristics. How to choose right track channel letters for different scenarios. Check it out. 1. LED track letters made of acrylic surface and PVC channel material. It is environmentally friendly and safe. Single color lighting design and 3D printing technology create a strong 3D effect. Really creative. 2. Full color track letters. LED track channel letters with multi-color gradient feature is richer in color and more eye-catching in appearance. 3. Infinity mirror LED track letters made of acrylic semi-lens, PVC channel and PETG materials. The upgraded version combines the features of the track channel letters and the infinity mirror. The 3D effect and visual impact are more obvious with high light transmittance. 4. Full color infinity mirror LED track letters. The multi-color gradient track channel letter sign is made of silver, semi-transparent, and aluminum alloy material. It is a combination of the above products. This type of product reflects a strong scene of gloss, color, and layering. If you have business needs, I would like to recommend full color track channel and full color infinity mirror track letters. They have strong 3D and richer colors. They're also the choice of most clients in our brand. If it is the first time to learn about our brand and want to try it, track channel letters are the first choice for many people to buy for the first time. Follow LCSIGN for more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.